Well, good morning. It's Thanksgiving morning. It's actually not even that early. I think it's like, hold on, 10:51. Aaron went to Tim Hortons without me. For God knows what reason. Apparently because he said left him undelivered. But whatever. I'm going to my Aunt Christie's at like 2. Mom's going to 11 to help set up, so we can go whenever, actually. Pretty much. Before I go, I think I'm going to go to the gym after Thanksgiving, but before I go, I think I'm going to watch Shimmer. Maybe. I still have a retainer and everything. My mom's in the shower right now, so I have to wait. Because I'm not using the other bathroom. Too far. Okay, bye. I take it back. I'm not gonna go because I have no clue what else to do. So apparently, according to Aaron, it's snowing. I haven't even opened anything yet, so we're still confined in my dark room. And I've been on my bed for like maybe an hour now, scrolling through TikTok and Pinterest, trying to find what I want for Christmas. Because I feel like it's just that year where like nobody knows what they want for Christmas. Hold on, Aaron's calling me. We're on our way to my Aunt Christie's finally. It's 1:14. We lost track of time. I was watching Wayne and crocheting because I'm starting a baklava for winter. So just wait. And we're taking Connor and Caleb. This is Caleb. This is Connor.
For an absolute hour.
Because I showered yesterday.
Middle of the day, like he doesn't even eat. Like,
Just take a picture of it? Because I didn't
Drop
shower
a
yesterday.
middle of the day, he probably like played Fortnite for an hour. He showers, and like end of the
Why
day,
did you
he
shower
didn't do
yesterday?
anything. He showers again for like another hour.
Well,
Did
did you just take a picture of me without my... Jump over there with your thing and just spray them. You literally can't lose.
Do you know what turbo goes on?
What?
Oh, it has to be his ice ice.
Just hold it down and do it.
I'm not gonna waste it. I wish Snoop Dogg rap. Hey, get out of
You can do a boogie bomb.
Give him a kiss. Let's see. Oh, he's over there. Oh, later. Okay, we're leaving my aunt's house. Hopefully going to the gym because these leggings made me realize. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was working on this because it was literally just like a Fortnite fest just about the whole time. So I worked on this. I got this far. I made it a little bit wider than I wanted to. Right now it's looking like just a cap, I would say. So I kind of wanted it loose. I don't know if I made it too low. So this is it. Goes to my brows. Now I'm gonna work. So it's gonna be an eye thing. Some of them have like the nose included. I don't think I want that because my nose gets my nose and my ears are what gets like freezing cold. Next Saturday is 16 degrees already. Although I saw flashbacks on my Snapchat and just last year, November 27th, today's the 28th, so it was the day after, we had like snow everywhere. We had like a foot or two of snow already. I didn't realize that, how like behind we were. That's pretty sad. But anyway. Anyways, so I brought this with me because I was just gonna do these two. I was gonna do like, this is like you know, snow is like darker and then it's like, it shows down to like a lighter color, like almost white snow. But I have a lot of blues, so I think this is gonna be like a top cap, and then I'm gonna have a bunch of blues, like navy blue, light blue, baby blue, like all going through it, and then this will be like the neck part, like down to here. Cause then it'll be dark part on the top, all those colors, and then you'll fold it and it'll have a nice like baby blue rim. Like, do you know what I mean? You'll see.
I don't want to go on Transit Road.
But anyway,
Anyways.
Aaron's getting dressed right now. We're heading to the gym. I don't really feel like going to the gym. I was gonna take a little bit of pre, which I usually don't. But I'm just really not feeling it. We were gonna go a little bit later, but Aaron got a text saying to come into work tomorrow for a half day. So we're going right now. It's 5:59, so basically 6 o'clock. Usually 5 to 6 is monstrosity, but it's Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume we're gonna be letting people there. I hope. We should be. If not, then that's like weird. But I don't know. I'm doing legs because anytime I have time to go to the gym, I hit legs because I'm not too worried about growing my like biceps and whatnot because just one gym day out of the month, and I already have bigger biceps than the average Joe of a female. Uh-oh. Alright, bye. On my camera app, it's always super zoomed in. Oh my. Post gym. I've now decided I'm literally not going to the gym with Aaron ever again. Like from now on, I'm not even kidding. I'm gonna start going on my own because he's great and all, but he cuts the workout short by like an hour. I was 3 workouts in. He's coming. But yeah, I'm driving by myself and I'm going by myself from now on. This is so stupid. This is progress. I made this bed a little bit too big. But look, I'm chilling. Also, I'm wishing you better still be going. I'm wishing I did the patching on top. Oh my god, so just stop it. I'm watching The Shining.
I just needed to think things over. You've had your whole fucking life to think things over. What good's a few minutes more gonna do you now? Stay with me. Please. Don't hurt me. I'm not gonna hurt you. Stay away from me. Wendy. Stay away. Darling. Light of my life. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Good morning. Day 2, post Thanksgiving. So we didn't actually know if I was gonna go to Syracuse, but apparently I am going to Syracuse. So now this is gonna be a Thanksgiving vlog and travel with me to another Thanksgiving vlog. I feel terrible for my grandmother because usually we spend at least 3 days there, but now we're spending like almost less than 24 hours there.
You guys are always there only a day.
No, not always. Because, work. Like, my dad is not very ahead schedule, so, like, we found out about this, like, I don't know. I mean, I guess we should have expected it because we go every Thanksgiving, but, like, I don't know. When you're busy and everything, you just kind of forget about those things. So we have work, we have lacrosse games, I have wrestle practice. Not that that really matters. Like, I wouldn't care to skip that. Actually, I think I have to skip that because it's actually Saturday morning, and there's no way. Hold on. And there's no way I'm making that. So I'm already missing wrestle practice, which I'm just gonna text Jake about because I think today's Friday, right? Also, this freaking Thanksgiving break, it feels like nothing. Like, I feel like it's over already. It definitely flew way too fast for my liking. Don't you agree? Not much of a break. I mean, I guess, I don't know. Anyways, we're on our way to Monte Major because he's just the best ever. We'll show you guys. It's those big subs. They're so freaking good, and I'm so hungry.
She wanted Altoons. I felt kind of bad that I didn't get her Altoons, but...
Well, he wanted Santora's and wings.
I want pizza and wings really bad right now.
Which, I already have, like, bad gut health and everything, and after Thanksgiving and, like, 5 Pepsi cans yesterday, I cannot handle more junk food, especially this early in the morning.
Santora's pizza with Ken's blue cheese.
It would have knocked me out, and I would have thrown all over this car trip because I'm taking a 3-hour car trip to Syracuse.
Dude, I would have been in love.
I would have been thrown up.
That's like my favorite food is like a Santora's pizza with freaking Ken's blue cheese.
Mine is chicken tsubalaki and some. What else? This kid claims he's vlogging, but I don't think he's doing it.
I didn't like record like certain things, so I feel like it's ruined.
We'll see. finally snowing. Look at this guy, he's getting prepped.
Alright, that's my hat.
Oh, and hat. Holy smokes.
That's my hat!
I can't, they did it.
Congratulations. You are admitted. You got stickers.
That's actually funny.
Shayla got into Houghton, but we got fucked on the hat. I did too.
No hat.
Balloons. It's like a whole party pack. That's pretty funny, bro.
How's it going?
Yeah.
Wait, really quick. Fuck out of my way.
I gotta feed my gecko.
Houghton University. Probably not gonna go there. It was $7 to send this because I wanted to show you town. We got the flag. We got a whole ass banner.
Oh, I might go there.
We got a little sticker, some party balloons, and this, and a whole bed of confetti.
Where's the hat?
If you guys couldn't tell, we received one of their letters that said if I applied there, we would get a hat, and we did not get a hat. Oh my god, you sound like my dad. What about it?
Look at the band. Looks like the Red Hot Chili Peppers.
You guys have the same skin.
Yeah, this is the Red Hot Chili Peppers. You guys Is something funny?
No.
What do they call us? So immature. No.
I'm not immature.
What's the matter? I said she's so immature.
It's not a picture you don't know. I am living in the moment. I'm taking a video of it.
Holy.
What? Why was it so good?
You went whatever. It's so weird.
What are those? This kid can't pick up his feet when he walks. Why is this so
Continue in like 1923.
So that was pregnant.
Why does this not want to focus? Oh, there we go. It's
Take a video
a
for you.
flash. Oh, is that yummy? Connor, look at this death trap. Ooh, he cold.
Yo.
Oh my gosh. Get away from me. Your freaking nose hairs are coming out of your nose.
Oh, that's what I was thinking at.
Dude, it's not focusing again.
Look at the cat. I love the cat.
Oh my.
Burger.
Tonight's sleeping quarters. I got Duolingo done did. What else did I do, Connor?
Minecraft.
Got my stretches in.
Knee surgery.
Where are you? Oh.
Shoot. How much does a shirt like that cost?
It was a night.
if you're not gonna have the patience to hunt in a legal way, then you shouldn't be out there to begin with. Actually, not too sure what I was thinking dressing like this, but I have this on with no undershirt, and these are my shoe choice, and it's snowing, so yeah, I'm freezing pretty much. This hat is doing work, so I just put it on. Also, I knew I was in like the depth of the like boonies when I walked into Tractor Supply, and they're not even playing Christmas music. It's like country Christmas music. It was like this country girl like belting "Have a Holly Jolly Christmas" in like the most country accent just ever. I'm not complaining though. Oof. Now we're just waiting. I don't even know where to put you. I have no space. I'm in the back, and my lips are trapped. What the hell? What the fuck was that? Okay, my dad's coming back. I'm trying to set you guys up somewhere. But anyways, currently I'm left alone. My dad left to go to some liquor store. My grandma Daisy is trying to get one of these trees, and my mom left me too. So I'm on a truck. I'm in a truck on the side of Tractor Supply. You know what store I've always wanted to try that I can never find, but apparently there is one because I heard a girl in my class talking about how it's one of her favorite stores? Trader Joe's. I keep seeing their Brazilian nut creams everywhere, like on TikTok and my Pinterest, and I don't know. I'm always prominent. I gotta find it. I gotta find it somewhere because I really do want to go there someday. I don't know. I always mix up Tractor Supply and Trader Joe's. Oh, they're bringing the tree over by. Why are you putting that in here? Yeah, these, my insides are hurting just looking at these. I feel like this is usually a lighter color. What?
Stop.
Continue spraying.
They're singing songs.
This is what we're at.
Open your window.
This is where
This is fucking. Stop.
Go from the Scarface. That looks so cool.
yeah, the kids. Okay, it's a lot colder. My god, my phone's focus is negative.
I'm Adrian Moss.
What are you looking forward to most this holiday season? The kids?
Smack it out my face.
Yeah, I bet I'm more about it.
Anyway, alright, we're
Gotta
driving
do it
along.
again.
I'll put you on that get in.
That's a cloud guy. You have a hoodie on.
I can't do it.
Go. Sheila is such a punk. Let's just get up. And maybe go to that hotel instead.
Where?
Just have videoing people without them.
No, it's. There they go. Oh my god, his aim is dog shit. What are you smelling there, everybody? Oh. Finish off my vlog of Thanksgiving and the day after Thanksgiving by showing my progress on this. I finally started it after forever. My goal is to make it the length of my bed a little bit. Yeah, I am not, if you could tell, I can't count my stitches right. The other side's even worse. But I like this print. I worked on this, I started this summer of probably like 2022 or 23. And I'm very excited to finish it. Hopefully it's done by this summer.